First, drag in a rectangle and enter 1. Create it as a dynamic panel. Then click the icon in the top left corner of the dynamic panel and select View All. You'll see 2 icons in the top left, one to exit View All mode and another to add a new state. Click the Add New State button to create a blank new state. Notice the new state's name is highlighted. Drag in a widget to this state and enter 2. Right-click the state name in the top left and select Duplicate to create a new state. To delete a state, right-click and choose Delete. Use the arrow in the top right of the state to move it to the previous or next position. At the top of the canvas, click the Auto Layout dropdown to choose between vertical or horizontal layouts. Selecting Auto Layout will arrange the state content based on content size. In State 1, drag in a button which will be added to the canvas and change its text to Previous. Add a click interaction to set the dynamic panel to the previous state. Select Wrap from last to first and add a slide left animation. Duplicate the button, change the text to Next, and update the interaction to set the state to Next. Copy both buttons into states 2 and 3. In State 1, drag in a rectangle and send it to the back. Then, drag another rectangle, and as it reaches State 2, the title of State 2 becomes highlighted. Release the mouse to add the rectangle to State 2 and send it to the back. Similarly, add a rectangle to State 3 and send it to the back. Double-click a blank area of the canvas to exit View All mode. Preview the prototype. When you click the Previous button, the dynamic panel changes to the previous state, and when you click the Next button, it switches to the next state.